Welcome to CommodityHawk.ai. We would like to take you through the different user interface and features of our artificial intelligence commodity prediction model. When you log in, you will be on this dashboard screen. The dashboard screen offers metal, energy, and agriculture category access. Likewise, if you navigate on the left vertical menu, you can go back to the dashboard, access directly metal, energy, or agriculture. You can go to settings to change your password, email, and user preferences, or you can sign up. Let's demonstrate our solution with energy. When you click on energy, you're exposed to the list of commodities we analyze for the energy category. You have the commodity, which is oil, natural gas, and coal, the last closing date, the last closing price, the current price, and this is when the artificial intelligence kicks in, the predicted trend. If you click on the eye, you will get a description letting you know that this is the predicted trend forecast for the next 30 days. Right now, it's showing down. And there is the position. This is the recommended position that is based on the current price and predictions. Right now, we're into a sell zone. And the confidence we have for that prediction. And this is its level, again, based on the AI analysis. Now, you will notice that there are three different confidence illustrated over here. The second one for natural gas is get ready to take action, and we will go into details to understand why this is there. And the other one is do not take action, but watch for a change to a high confidence. Let's start with oil. Now we can explore the oil technical chart, but first, let's understand the zones. Sell zone, neutral zone, and buy zone. The neutral zone is when the current price is within the boundary of a low price prediction, which is this line, and a high price prediction, which is this line. This is the historical data. This is the predictive data. We predict that the price will, at a highest price, will basically skirt this line, or it could reach this line at a low price, and this is the mean. Right now, if we go back to the beginning, we will see that we call a buy signal, a buy marker, on the December 31st at $75.21, and the trend was going up. Likewise, and likewise. This demonstrates that the system called for a buy in January that was actually correct in terms of the fact that now we enter no longer the buy zone with a prediction, but we enter the sell zone. And the sell zone is illustrated in red until such condition is ripe for the system to detect a sell or a short, which is represented by this symbol. If I click on it, you will see that there is a date, there's a price, and the trend was going down. And this is why it is marked. Even though we were above in the sell zone, the system detected that the price was going to start to go down, and therefore discovered that it was a sell marker would be appropriate to be displayed. And it occurred several times during this timeline. And now this is the price we're at, and we are in a down prediction. If we look at the key indicators, and this is a really interesting feature, especially for traders who like to get some additional data. We have hundreds of indicators that we analyze across all of our commodities. But for oil right now, those key indicators are the most significant in the model computation in terms of showing a degree of change and correlation that is significant for the system to establish its forecast. So it makes it really easy for you to see what the value is and what the change has been and since when the change occurred to be significant. We can collapse by clicking the line item, and we will go now to natural gas and expand. Let's review quickly. Sell zone, everything in red, above the high projection boundary. Buy zone, everything in green, below the low projection boundary. Neutral zone, everything between the high prediction and the low prediction, whether it is historical or future. buy, and buy when we were below the low price and where the forecast for the trend was going upward. This is a perfect example, a wonderful condition. And yes, it is in a state, sorry, it is over here in a state of being watched, getting ready to take action. Why? Because there is no reason for the system to have given us a sell or short indicator because the price is still going up. Should the price go down, definitely a sell or short indicator, as long as it remains above the forecast, would be triggered. The same is true for every other commodity. We can look at energy, which is this one, metal, and agriculture. The concept remains the same for every single one of them. I would like to bring your attention to support. If you have any question, down here at the bottom right, you can simply ask us any questions that you may have about how to use the system, some ideas you want to share, and we would be delighted to respond to you, usually fairly quickly, within hours, after business hours, usually the next day, or sometime right away. It just depends if we are right there online at the time where you're in. But we do answer those questions, and we invite you to communicate to us through this medium. We thank you for your attention. And we certainly hope that you make the best and enjoy our artificial intelligence prediction model in commodities. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.